One small shoebox can make a world of difference with the Samaritan's Purse organization's Operation Christmas Child.
The world's largest Christmas project is dedicated to bringing a little more joy to children who are less fortunate this holiday season. First Covenant Church in Iron Mountain is one of the thousands of shoebox drop-off locations, and TV6's Iron Mountain Kingsford Bureau reporter Monique Lopez has an up-close look at the operation.
National Collection Week for collecting shoeboxes filled with gifts and necessities for underprivileged children all around the world began today. This collection just started, and already the church had over 630 shoeboxes brought in, right on track to reaching this year's goal.
We did like 1,526 or 1,526 boxes last year, and I'm hoping that we hit 2,000 this year.
The entire community gets involved and really places a lot of thought into putting the shoeboxes together for these children. Children who may have never received a gift for Christmas in their lives.
I know the excitement of the youngsters that receive these. Some have never, ever had a gift.
Shoeboxes can include a variety of items, from toys and candies to school supplies or even just a toothbrush and toothpaste. What matters most is how it is prepared and the sentiment behind it.
We should be doing it lovingly and knowing that we are going to make a difference in children's lives.
The best part? You get to choose the gender and age group of the child your shoebox is meant for, and can even track it to see exactly where it ends up.
You could go online and do the labels, and actually you could track your box by doing it online and printing out the label. You can actually track that.
The organization has collected over 100 million shoeboxes throughout the years and hopes for that number to continue to increase. For more information and for drop-off locations near you, visit uppermichiganssource.com. Monique Lopez, TV6 News, Iron Mountain.